Hello, Jules. Welcome to my page. Today we're going to get into this emerald green unit from RPGSHOW. It is a 13 by 6. Yes, I had to do that parting offline because I'm horrible at it. I gave it a little trim to give it some fullness. And look at that. Very beautiful. Always make sure you apply heat protectant. This is serum just to give it the shine and the gloss, but please use heat protectant. I did apply it off camera, and we're going to do some barrel curls, style this, and I will style the front when the unit is on my head, but the back I always style on the mannequin. honestly feel that after I wore this wig, I don't even know, I wore it 2 times, styled it 2 different times. This makes the 3rd time. But this is actually the first day I washed it. I think it's actually better since I washed it. I mean, it is super soft, softer than when I first got it. So I feel like, I mean, what is it? The older it gets, the better? Like, that's crazy. Look at that. Like, it is crazy. I am in love with this hair. So I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10. The color's more vibrant. Look at that. Look at this color. The quality is here. It's full. It's pretty. You know, like, look at this. It holds a good curl because this is exactly how I wanted it to come out. It looks fantastic. I want you to see that it's like, you know, it's really real. You know? Look at this. If you are interested in this unit or other units, I'll have the link below with the details as well as a $100 off coupon code. So this is the time to, you know, try this unit out or another unit on the site. RPG Show is where it is. You know, this is what you'll get. Same quality. I washed this hair, styled it. Again, this is my 3rd time wearing it, cutting it 3 times, but this is like my final cut with it. I love it. The texture is amazing. I'll have the circumference, the size of the cap, the inches that I bought. However, the best part about this is $100 off. You should not even be still watching this video. You should be literally on the website looking for your unit to get $100 off. This ombre is giving. I literally, every time I wear this wig, no matter how it's styled, I get tons of compliments on the color. The color is vibrant. It's to me like an emerald. Emerald little ombre here. I'm feeling myself, so I don't really care. I don't even know what I'm saying. I just know that I love my hair. Okay? It's like, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.